Hey everyone, this is Osamu Wakabayashi from Zen Ideas. Recently, I posted the nonprofit CRM, how to streamline a fundraising operation for nonprofit using WooCommerce and then Fluent CRM. You can do this in WordPress, right? So I got a question recently. How can we generate annual, donor receipt? Because this is really essential for nonprofit if you are doing fundraising effort. And then I was looking for some solutions, and I think I found a solution. So this seems to be a free plugin working with WooCommerce. It's called WooCommerce donation platform for WooCommerce. All right, so this has, take a quick look here, and I think it's a free download. And then, so you got the really good rate. And then, so they have a knowledge base. So it seems like this PDF invoice packing slip for WooCommerce, this is also free. Looks like I never used it before, but it's really high rating here. It seems like these two plugins kind of work together. So I like to try this today and see if it works. That'd be great. So let's dive in. Okay, so I downloaded both plugins, so this donation platform for WooCommerce, fundraising donation management. It's so far it's free, and also right here, so PDF invoice and the packing slip for WooCommerce. So both are free plugins. So let's take a quick look. So let's go to settings. And so it's under WooCommerce settings, and it's created the new tab for donation once you install that plugin. And so you can customize a title text, that choose amount for title text. Okay, I can probably show that to you later, so I know exactly what this means. And the minimal donation amount, so you can change that minimum and the maximum, and the maximum amount for the range input. So there's some range user interface too for this one. And what I like about this is you can ask for fee recovery, because I think that Stripe or those third-party company, they charge you some transaction fee. So for example, PayPal here, so there's no setup fee, but the cost to you is as low as 1.6 plus 30 cents for every donation. Okay, so you can ask for 0.3 for fixed amount, and then 1.6 for example. I don't know exactly, but you can just put these numbers so that you don't, as a non-profit organization, so you don't have to pay, so the donor kindly contribute that payment too. And there's lots of settings, and I like this option to enable anonymous or public checkbox. So so you can control that. I know some organizations don't want to enable this option because they would like to know who contribute or donate to towards the organization, right? So they can kind of keep track. And then also on the bottom here, so you can do a little bit color change, the style to match your branding. And I'm gonna hit save. Now let's create some donation products. So I'm assuming if you're using WooCommerce, that's probably easy, add a new. So let's say product title, let's say support little kitten. Okay, so I just got to put some title, some text right here. All right, so let's put some product image or image. I'm gonna just use one of those. Okay, just pick one, and I'm gonna just upload. Okay, pick that image. All right, like this. And then, so make sure it's pick the simple product, and then donation product. All right, so I don't think you're gonna put the amount here. I think you use a donation form. So this is what we should be using. So that's a direct link. So you can actually set up a fundraising goal. If it's 5,000, you can just put. So I'm gonna just put 0. So I don't have any goals yet. And then layout of amount suggestions. So there are different types. I like this radio button in the selection. This is actually, they have actually really good document here. This I was looking at because I never used this before. So I'm just shooting this video as I go. So this is, you can just pick different type of amount. If you want to use just the inbox, just the one box that that donor can just put any custom number here. And also this is like a range slider, so you can just use slide. I don't really like that, so I like this one. Okay. And then so it looks like okay, so you can actually pre-select. Okay, do 5. Let's say 15. 50. And then maybe 100, something like that. That's cool. It's easy to use. And I'm gonna just hit publish. Okay, I'm gonna just create a quick landing page for this fundraising, and I think I'm gonna just use a shortcode widget. So I'm gonna put that, and then so I have to just go back to shortcode here. Save. Let's go back to dashboard and then the product page, and then this I did it. Alright, so there is a donation form, so I'm going to just copy this and then go back to Elementor shortcode, paste onto that. Okay, so it doesn't work. Yeah, it says in the current view the donation form is not available. So let's troubleshoot here. Alright, so I don't think this virtual thing doesn't really matter, but I think that the hides shipping. Okay, so let's try just to use a block editor. So add a new page, and I'm gonna just paste that donation form shortcode and hit publish, and then view page. Okay, so it is working. So some reason that the Elementor it doesn't work. Alright, so let's skip this. I'll try to troubleshoot on my own time. Alright, so instead of using Elementor, so I'm going to use just this block editor. And then so let's hit update. Alright, so let's move on to generating a PDF receipt for donation. This is very important for nonprofit organizations. And let's go to WooCommerce, and we've installed this PDF invoice. It's a free plugin. So let's go to, so again, so I never used this before, so just bear with me. So so you can the choice download or open the PDF in a new browser tab. Okay, so I like that. And then so there's the template here, and actually, so this is what I want: donation receipt. And I'm sure you can change the size. Okay, letter size is good. And then here's a logo, set image. And I got the logo here, so I'm gonna just use that. And then you can put the shop name. Actually, I'm gonna just remove that. Alright, so this is, you can put the shop VAT number, so you have to buy professional extension. So you have to pay kind of premium fee for that. So that's a Chamber of Commerce number. And then I know in Canadian organization, they have to put the kind of charity number. So I think we can probably put the charity number, somewhere under the address. Yeah, something like that, probably okay. And you can put the address, and then on the top right, so it looks like there's a space right here, so you can add information. Alright, so I'm going to just hit save. Again, so it looks like you can customize your template here if you need to. But I think this is fine for now. Alright, so let's check out the result. Now before do that, so we have to reconfigure our automation process. So this is the donation automation here. And then alright, so this is the automation, and add a list to donor list, that's okay. And then here, if buyer select the donation, now I have to include this one, support our little kitten. So this is the a new product we created, and then save settings, right? And then that goes to apply tag, right? Donation, so that's okay. And then the rest is the same. Yeah, and then send a custom email. So this just send out email to thank donor, right? And then just end this funnel. Okay, so right, so this is enabled. All right, so this is the landing page, and then let's donate. So I'm gonna just donate $30, hit the next. All right, so this is the donor details you have to fill out. Okay, so I'm gonna just pause my video and fill out. Okay, so the first name, last name, all the necessary information are filled out. Okay, so let's make sure that I'm putting an email address here and hit next. Okay, so this is the one I want to cover the transaction fees. All right, so this is good. And then let's click donate now. Oh, postal code is not valid. Okay, let's just go back here. Or maybe the space here. All right, try again. Okay, to donate. All right, so it went through, so that's okay. So let's go back to WordPress here, and then let's go to WooCommerce, and then check the order. Now, so donation from Will Smith. Okay, so it's on hold right now. So let's take a look. Okay, so let's assume that I received a check or cash from him, and then change the status to it's completed. Okay, and hit update. All right, so let's go to Fluent CRM. Yeah, so now it changed to 217, so click all contact. Now, so Will Smith is added. Okay, so take a quick look here. And it should be, yes, so the list is donor list, and the tag is donation. Okay, so all the information is right here. And then here is purchase history, should be donation, right here. Here we go. Okay, so now you want to take a quick look at WooCommerce side. So all the details for his donation is right here. Okay. As you can see, here's a PDF donation receipt right here. And let's click here. All right, so that is his address or his information. Okay, and then you can just send a receipt here. Okay, perhaps you can probably send a link here and then send it to him so that he can download his tax receipt. I think this is a great solution for non-profit organizations. Because all the information, including volunteer and client and stakeholders, is going to be all in one place. And then as you can see, we can manage and organize all the donors' information as well. And you can send out email, so you can eliminate all the constant contact or MailChimp, those expensive software, and you can use this free. As you can see, I'm using WordPress is free, it's open source, and WooCommerce is free, and then that tax receipt PDF invoice is free, and then Fluent CRM is free. So again, we can purchase some premium feature if you needed to, but if you want to have this kind of basic feature, as I demonstrated, this is super affordable. So hopefully you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.